Children, in the previous video we have discussed about how to divide a number by 10, 100 and 1000. Here it is given exercise 17 in your book using the rules of division by 10, 100 and 1000 and find the quotient and the remainder. That means by using the rule you have to find out the remainder and the quotient directly. So therefore already we have discussed that when we divide a number by 10, the last digit will be the remainder and rest of the digit makes the quotient. So here 527 divided by 10, therefore the last digit 7 is the remainder and 52 the quotient. Look at the example 2, question number 2, 1624 divided by 10, the last digit is 4, it is the remainder and rest of the digit makes 162 is the part of the quotient. Now, number 4, 648 divided by 100. Already we have seen that when we divide a number by 100, as 100 has last two digits 0, therefore in the number the last two digit will be the remainder and rest of the number will be the part of the quotient. So here the last two digit 48, so 48 will be the remainder and 6 will be the part of the quotient. Look at the next example, 1936 divided by 100. Here 36 last two digit, so it is the part of remainder, 36 is remainder, 100 has 20, therefore last two digit remainder, 36 is remainder and rest of the part is quotient, so 19 is quotient. Question number 8, 6947 divided by 1000. Here 1000 means there are 3 0. So you have to correlate, there are 3 0, therefore the last 3 digit will be the remainder and rest of the digit will be the quotient. So we have to correlate this 0, number of 0 with remainder. Okay, so there are 3 0, therefore last 3 digit will be the remainder and rest of the digit will be the quotient. Therefore quotient is 6 and 947 is the remainder. In question number 10, 89,009 divided by 1000, 30. Therefore last 3 digit remainder 009. 009 is equal to 9 and 89 is the quotient. Now look at number 11. In number 11, 683 divided by 1000. There are 3 0, therefore the 3 digit will be the remainder. Nothing is left, so you have to write quotient is equal to 0 and remainder is equal to 683. I hope it is clear to you now. The next topic is problem sums on division. What to do in case of word problems? Before solving these word problems, you have to clear 2 points. First of all, if data is given about many and asking about one, then the operation will be division. It is a very important part. You have to develop the concept when you have to apply the operation of division. When the information or data is given about many, for example, the cost of 10 pen is given, you have to find out the cost of 1 pen. So if the data is given about many and asking about one, then the operation will be division. This is the indication of division. And second thing, in case of division sum, remainder must be lesser than the divisor. In every step, you have to check whatever you are getting the remainder, that must be lesser than the divisor. Otherwise, if you are getting remainder more than the divisor means your division is wrong. Now see exercise 18 problem sums. Question number 1 is given in your book. It is given 6,426 bags of cement were equally loaded on 17 trucks. How many bags were loaded on each truck? Given about many. Earlier we have discussed that given about many. What is given about here? Here it is given how many bags of cements were loaded in 17 trucks. And you have to find out how many bags were loaded on each truck, means one truck. So given about many and you have to find out about one. How to do? That is the indication. You have to apply the operation division. Now solution, look at here what is given. Cement bags were loaded in 17 trucks is equal to 6,426. Therefore in one truck 6,426 divided by 17. Okay. Now before doing the division you have to find out the table of 17. In the same way earlier we have discussed about it. First of all, split it into 1 and 7. You know the table of 1 and you know the table of 7. So 1, write down this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 7. 7 into 0, 0, 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56 and 7 9 is 63. Now you have to collect the last digit 0, then 7, 4, 1, 8, 5, 2, 9, 6 and 3. Here you have to collect the last digit. Now collect the digit in the tens place now. Here it is 1, here it is 2, but 1 is left in the ones place. So 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. 7 plus 4 is equal to 11. 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. And 9 plus 6 is equal to 15. In this way, very easily we can get the table of 2-digit numbers. So 17 1 is 17, 2 is 34, 51, 68, 5 is 85, 6 is 102, 7 is 119, 8 is 136 and 9 is 153. Now the division will be very easy. Look at here 6,426. It is a 2-digit number. So first of all you have to consider the number made by 2 digit. That is 64. You have to search this 64 or nearest 64 in the table of 17. We are getting that 17 3 is 51 and 17 4 is 68. 68 is more than 64. So we have to consider 17 into 3 is equal to 51. So 17 3 is 51. After subtraction getting 13. Now place down these 2. Now your target is 132. You have to search this 132 or nearest number 132 in this table. So what we are getting is 17 7 ja 119 and 17 8 ja 136. 136 is exactly the number. So what we have to do? Sorry, here we are doing 132. So therefore 17 7 ja 119. Okay, then we have to subtract. We are getting here 13. Placing down this 6. Then 17 8 ja 136. So we have to write this 8 here. Getting 136. No remainder is left. So what is the conclusion? Conclusion is this. 378 bags were loaded on each truck. In this way, you can do the problem sums. Children, look at another word problem. Question number 2. Here it is given 9,240 apples were packed equally in 35 boxes. How many apples were packed in each box? Again, the information given about many. That means 9,240 apples were packed equally in 35 boxes. And you have to find out how many apples were packed in each box. Means one box. So the division is the operation you have to apply here. Now solution, how to make the statement. Apples were packed in 35 boxes is equal to 9,240. Always remember children, whatever you have to find out, how many apples, you are finding out apples, how many apples. So number of apples will be placed on the right side and rest of the information in the left side. Here you have to find out number of apples, so you have to place number of apples on the right side. So in 35 boxes, how many apples are packed? 9,240. Therefore in one box, 9,240 divided by this 35. Now you have to find out the table of 35 first of all. Similarly, split it 3 and 5. Write down the table of 3 and write down the table of 5 here. So it is written here. Then you have to conclude the table of 35. First of all, the last digit you have to write down. Here it is 0, then 5, 0, 5, 0, 5, 0, 5, 0, 5. Written here. Then you have to collect the digit from the tens place. 3. Here it is 0 means 0. Okay. Then 3 you have to write. 6 plus 1. 6, when you add 6 plus 1, you are getting 7. 9 plus 1, you are getting 10. 12 plus 2, you are getting 14. 15 plus 2, you are getting 17. 18 plus 3, getting 21. 21 plus 3, you are getting 24. And 24 plus 4, you are getting 28. And 27 plus 4, you are getting 32. In this way, you are getting the table of 35. 35 1 ja 35, 2 ja 70, then 3 ja 105, 4 ja 140. Very easily, you can get the table by applying this method. This is called splitting method. Now, once you get the table of this 35, your division will be very easy now. Now, you have to divide this 9240 by 35. 35 two-digit number, so consider the first two-digit 92. Search the number nearest to 92 in the table of 35. Look at here, 35 2 ja 70 and 35 3 ja 105. This 105 is more than 92. Therefore, we have to consider 35 into 2 is equal to 70. So, 2 is the part of the quotient and 70 you have to write here. After subtraction, getting these 2 minus 0 is equal to 2 and 9 minus 7 is equal to 2, 22. Then, placing down this 4, 224 is the target now, and search the nearest number in the table of 35. What we are getting? We are getting 35 into 6 is equal to 210. And your target is 224. And 35 into 7 is equal to 245. That is greater than 224. Therefore, we have to select this 6. Now, write 35 into 6 is equal to 210. After subtraction, getting 14. Placing down this 0. And then 35 into 4. Look at here, 35 into 4 is equal to 140. In this way, very easily you can solve this division. Always remember, children, writing the tables on the right side is always makes the division easy. Okay, and finally conclude the answer. 264 apples were packed in each box. When you write the answer, you have to pick up the sentence given at the last in the form of question. How many apples were packed in each box? How many will be replaced by this number? 264 apples were packed in each box. Is it clear? I hope division is clear. Now you can apply your concept to solve the sums given in your book. Thank you.